Hey, good morning. Map here, Map Investments. Doing here a pre-market open video uh, on the markets. I didn't go over, I mean, it was tough. I hope everybody had a great Halloween. Went trick-or-treating with my kid. Great time. Um, so I didn't do any videos last night. Um, Touching base on the trades that I did the day before. Um, Today's a new month, November 1st. Um, Tuesday, we have the Fed meeting, FOMC meetings today and tomorrow, rate decision tomorrow. Um, and the goal is to make some moolah this month. So far, off to a great start the last couple weeks. Um, and I just want to touch base on the futures this morning and then maybe go quickly through some of the trades I did yesterday so you know what I have on. And I'm looking at the futures here, and I'm very, very tempted to maybe sell uh, the Nasdaq. But let's get into it. So the 10-year yield is back under four. Big, big move, 15 bips, which I kind of assumed because I put trade on yesterday. On these are my trades I did yesterday, and I did the TLT. I did a couple TLTs. Oh no, these are expired. I'm sorry. Let me go to filled orders. My bad, folks. These are all the orders. So how can I sort this? Maybe I could sort this here by filled. No, not a big deal. So I did get filled on one, a bond trade, which is TLT, which mimics the bonds. I got filled. I didn't get filled. I thought I did. Hmm. Are these fills here? Yeah. All right. So anyways, I didn't get filled, so maybe I'll do something today. I missed the move. So the bonds are down under four, down 14 bips. Last I saw, the dollar was down 76 to 110.76, uh, almost 0.70%. Oil, Bitcoin up 210 to 20,500. Oil up $1.79. Now I sold my micro last night when we were up. Probably made like a good $50 on that one. And I also closed my Dow Jones for a profit. I thought we would get to 33. So now I'm looking to do something else here. Did close those out for your record. S&P up 42, gold up 16, copper up a big 11. That's a good move on that contract. Um, what else? What do we got here? Nasdaq up 159, back over the 11.6 mark, up 1.40%. Nat gas down 17.5 cents. Palladium and platinum up. Silver is up 88 cents. Big move in silver. The grains, corn flat, soybeans up 15, wheat down 3, and those are the futures. Yesterday, like I said, I did 35 fills. I wish they would. Okay, so that's perfect. I just set it up as there by fills, and these all expired. Okay, perfect. All right, so yesterday, let me see if I can do it like this, and then like this, and then put an alphabetical order. Maybe. Not a big deal. Not a big deal, guys. So yesterday I sold my futures, which I talked about. I did an iron fly in Rite Aid. I shorted Fisker. I'm just going down the line. I shorted Fisker. Sold the put credit spread. When I say okay, so when I say short means go down. When I say long means go up. Okay. So Rite Aid, I did an iron fly, which is a range bound trade. which I showed you on my weed stock um, before, um, my last video. Uh, Fisker, I shorted. I went long ASC, put credit spread. Uh, I closed my natural gas position for 50%. I went long China. I went long tech. I went long Cliff, Ironfly, which I did in my cannabis video, CHG and Tilray. I sold some stock in RCMT and Bohr since they were up and I wanted to limit my exposure. I did Broken Wing Butterfly and Dash. I did put credit spreads in NWL to uh, to go up. HLX, I did a calendar spread. I didn't even know it got filled. Peloton, I went short for it to go down. When I did a broken wing butterfly to the upside, I shorted STS. I shorted First Solar. I did a broken wing butterfly in Airbnb. I shorted Shopify. I shorted Nikola. I did a broken wing butterfly in Nvidia. I went long Petrobras Brazil. I went long um, on semiconductor and see what else. I closed Las Vegas Sands for 50% profit. I closed NL for a good gain. I took off some NC stock. I closed my MTR trust because I got the dividend. I also remember I did a video on how to manage option assignment. So I exercised INSW because I was way in the money and I sold 10 shares and I stayed with uh, INSW. I stayed with 90 shares and I'm up 17.92 on my stock. Stock's up 42. And that's it. That was my activity yesterday. Um, on the uh, on the option front. Hopefully, I'll stay busy today. It looks like the markets are rallying big time. But remember, we have the meeting tomorrow, the FOMC meeting tomorrow, which is going to be very, very big market mover. Um, After the bell yesterday, we had NXPI, Avis, Arista, Goodyear, Stryker. I had to see how these are doing. This morning we had SoFi, Uber, Pfizer, BP, Marathon, Eli Lilly, Newman, Toyota. Uh, the pre-market movers, um, ABMD got bought out. Carvana looks like it's up. This is on light volume. Uber, nice day. Lyft, nice day. Ahmed, nice day. Hologic, Upstart, good days. DoorDash, good day. These are the movers this morning. Not a lot of volume, but they're the ones with the biggest moves. Um, on the losing front, Striker got hit pretty hard. Um, Echo Lab 2. Oh, these are the ones with the most action in the morning, most activity. Uber, Carnival, Carrier, Meta, Tesla, Amazon, your typical ones. We shall see how they open. Have a great dating trade, good trading day. Like the video, subscribe. I don't even know what to title this video. Um, 'Cause I try and make my titles relevant to what I'm speaking about. But you know, let's maybe so let me open up something here. So I did this chart here that I have spoken to you guys about. I might take a shot here and I don't know. I just don't think I mean I know the NASDAQ's been sold has been uh sold off a lot, but I think we're like at a pretty big rally here. Looking at the charts, this is a 20-day chart. I mean, it could get to 11,721. I mean, if we look at, let's take a look at the last 5 days. So it went from 11.3 up to 11.6 pretty much in a straight line. I mean, we had a little sell off here and boom, boom. Um, 10 day. Let's take a look at the 1 minute on the 1 day, 1 minute. So we got a little bit of nice bump here. I'm gonna sell one of these here. I'm gonna go short, and that's my position for now. So I'm gonna call this video short the NASDAQ, I guess, or micro future for now. Call me crazy. It's the weaker of the indexes, um, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. My portfolio is always long, so I'm just gonna hedge a little bit, and we'll see what happens. See you later in the other videos I do. Take care now. Bye.